adjustment. Use M4 hex screws to secure the fixture. Press the clamping button. By manually adjusting the cylinder knob to adjust the appropriate clamping distance until the clamping induction light lights up. Nine. Fixture adjustment. After clamping the bottle, rotate manually. Confirm that the clamping is not slipping. 10. Cistern add antifreeze to the water bath pot. Remove the left and rear cover plates of the machine. Add purified water or antifreeze to the water tank and water bath. Raise the water level in the water bath to 3/4. Add water to the UV water tank until it does not overflow. (11) Software power on reset test machine action. Open the control software. Reset the machine. Test whether the button board of the testing machine works properly by moving left, right, up, and down. Can the limit sensor stop working after triggering normally? Press and hold the left button on the keypad to test if the machine head stops moving after reaching the left limit position. Press and hold the right button on the keypad to test if the machine head stops moving after reaching the right origin point. Does the upward test fixture module of the keypad stop moving after reaching the upper limit position? Does the downward test fixture module of the keypad stop moving after reaching the lower origin? Can the UV lamp ink pressing and water circulation buttons be turned on normally? Software click to automatically clean. Is it cleaned normally? Test whether the printing action is normal. Ink tube preparation. Cut 4 sizes of ink tubes with diagonal pliers. They are respectively valve tube 5 cm × 9 cm, 20 cm plug tube and 15 cm street pipe. 1. 8 valve pipes. 2. 8 plug tubes. 3. 8 direct connecting pipes. 1. 10 valve pipes. 2. 10 plug tubes. 3. 10 direct connecting pipes. 13. Installation of ink cartridges and secondary cartridges. Remove the soft plug of the secondary ink cartridge. There are a total of 8 secondary ink cartridges. From left to right are WCMYKLMV. 14. Ink tube connection. Ink tube connection must be installed in place. White hair and light oil are both. 2 valve tubes are connected to the 2 interfaces in front of the secondary ink cartridge. 2 direct connecting tubes are connected to the 2 ports behind the secondary ink cartridge. The color heads are 2 plug pipes, 1 valve pipe, and 1 street pipe. The first port on the outside of the secondary ink cartridge is connected to a plug tube. The second port is connected to the valve pipe. The third port is directly connected to the pipe. The fourth port is connected to a plug tube. 15. Machine ink application. Detailed installation of ink tube tutorial reference. Take out ink and varnish. Mark with ink of corresponding color. Add to the corresponding ink part of the machine. Shake a few times before pouring ink. Avoid ink sedimentation. Front ink supply. Prepare empty bottles for ink discharge. Find the ink supply lines with corresponding line numbers on the printer head in sequence, and the ink supply board in the machine head. The ink supply board signal is KCMYLMWV in sequence. Confirm the ink supply button on the left side of the machine head. 17. Ink supply discharge demonstration.